What is happiness engineers? How you can get the most of our program, platform, training, courses, masterclasses, lives, and how can you become a happiness engineer? I will explain all this in few seconds. Happiness Engineer is a platform you can access from the website happinessengineers.net. It's a platform who proposes a program of courses and training to become, first of all, happiness technician. It's all the courses related to your own happiness, how you can work, how you can feel, uh, stay happy, because we consider ourselves all happy from our birth, and we lost some happiness, and then we just have to get back to our real happiness. So you will understand what is happiness, how does it work, how do we function, and how can we live with harmony with ourselves, in harmony with ourselves, because a kid is just a person or a creator which who is living with in harmony with her or himself. It's just the essence of happiness. It takes time, it takes some knowledge. We have to get back to some reflexes. We have to know some things about ourselves, our emotions, our feelings, and our communication attitudes, a lot of things. But we can come through all of this in some organization. We have to follow the courses in the right steps and go from level 1 to level 2 until level 5. When you get to level 5, you will become happiness technician. Then you can decide to continue until level 9, where you can become happiness engineer. Um, from level 5, from level 6 to level 9, it's all about coaching others, helping others to get their thinking right, to get through their challenges, and to have access to this happiness. So, and it also helps us to go deeper in our journey um, for happiness. In this platform at the happinessengineers.net, we have, as I told you, courses, but it's not only courses, but also master classes, lives and directs sessions where we can discuss, ask questions, have some exercises, and a lot of things that we cannot do in recorded courses. And we also have the opportunity to meet each other. You can find the other participants, the other future happiness technicians or happiness engineers in the near your place. There is a map to find them. We also have the opportunity to go deeper in some subjects. You can choose some subjects you want to talk about. All this in one platform. So you can access all this on happinessengineers.net. So see you soon in our courses or our lives.